Nasaan ang orange mo na toys? Orange. Nasaan? Where's the orange toys? That is yellow. Oh. Ano? Where's the orange toys? Huh? Where did you put your, orange toys? Huh? Oh, that is blue. That one is blue. Oh. Where is it na? Aba! Where's your orange toys? Where did you put your orange toys? Huh? Where did you put your orange toys? You have to find it. Where is it? Kunin ng Miming yun. Miming will gonna get your orange toys. Oh, ano? Iyak na lang? Ha? Ano? Iyak na lang ang sagot dyan? You have to find your find your orange toys. Oh, saan na orange toys? No, that is yellow. That is yellow, ha? Where's the orange? Orange. Oh, you forgot? Where did you put it? Orange toys. Ay! Yan. Kasi no, iniwan. Akin na. Wash ni mama. Maldita. Oy, kung saan-saan nilalagay ang toys. Pag ito kinuha ng Miming, wala na. Aray ko. Palangga. Will you please, behave? No? Pag ito nawala to, or any sa toys mo, naka-smile. Wait lang naman. Nagagalit pa nga ako eh. Nagagalit pa nga si mama. Wait lang naman eh. Wash mo na ni mama. No. It's dirty kasi nilagay mo sa labas. Wash mo na ni mama, anak. Opo. Kiss mo na. I love you.